Anyways, this is an introduction to this is an Atlas 10D. Manual change gears. Forward, reverse, switch, gearbox for the lead screw. Tiny, tiny little carriage. Half nut engager thingy bob. The bearings, which are Babbitt bearings, are tight. I mean, this thing was built in 1936 and they are beautiful. There's just no wobble or wiggle at all. The old motor, she let out the smoke. So I bought on Facebook Marketplace a 2 horsepower, 3,500 RPM motor, 3-phase, and hooked her up to a cheap Chinesium inverter. Belt driven, she's got 4 speeds here and 2 more. It's not a Clausen Colchester, but fuck, she'll do. Let's take a look in the drawers. Cheapest mag base on Amazon. Calculator, idea book, cheapest set of calipers from the big box store. They work great. Cheap dial indicator. New to me, refurbished hand planes for my woodworking. Bought a surface plate. Set of old German wood turning chisels and such. Some paints. Some plans to build an ER collet system, chuck collets. Tap extractors that I got for like $5. The screw dump. Some lathe tools, boring bar holder, cheapest AXA tool post, boring, quick change setup, turning tool, other tools. Hoping to get into making my own tools. This is supposed to be a boring bar, but hardening it to an acceptable level I've been unsuccessful at. The only piece of precision I have is this square. Got it on Facebook for like $5. There's my dial indicator, some indicator holder accessories I got on Facebook for cheap. There's my cheap set of Schar's tool holders. Some diamond abrasive from Amazon. This is the angle doohickey. And a cover for the lathe. That's pretty much it.